Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, we're going to show you how to properly track solo ad campaigns so you make sure that you're not getting garbage clicks from vendors. In order to track your clicks accurately, you're going to have to use a tracking service. What we use is a company called Qliker, and this is basically just analyzes the clicks. When traffic comes in, it goes to the funnel. You can check your opt-in rates, you can check your conversion rates, you can see how your traffic quality is. And if you're getting a lot of clicks going in this column here, it's a good indication that you're getting fake clicks, right? You can send that to the vendor and say, hey, listen, I don't appreciate you sending me garbage traffic. Do something about it, right? Now, without a software like this, you'd have no idea whether or not your clicks are good. So you have absolutely have to use this type of software. Now, this one is cheaper than the other one. It's called, I can't remember what the main one was called, but this is what I've been using because it's less expensive than the main one people use. ClickMagick. Yeah, that's the one. And I find that these stats are a little more accurate than ClickMagick. How much does this cost? You could try it out for 14 days, but it is 45 bucks per month. So this is mainly for people who are buying consistent solo ads on a regular basis. You're going to need to use this. If you don't use something like this, you're just going to be losing money. So let's set up a campaign real quick. The first thing you're going to do is we're going to set up a campaign and we're going to name it Matt's campaign. Okay. And then you're going to link to the primary URL of where the opt-in page is. So let's go ahead and create one in the funnel builder. We're going to go down and create the capture page. Let's just use this one for an example. And actually, let's find one that would work good for solo ads. Now, these funnels are in the back office of the funnel builder tool. And this is typically what I would use for an opt-in page for a type of solo ad deal. And usually I get even simpler than that. So let me find something like this one here. All right, we're going to call it CP1. And what I like to do is use a bridge page always. So what I would do is have some kind of video or pass-through page. And this is where I will put my conversion pixel to count as a lead on so the tracking software knows that I generated a lead. So let's find a simple bridge page. Now I did use blue, so I just want to change this blue to match my main capture page. Just a light blue. All right, we're going to change this blue as well. Fantastic. And I'll leave the button orange. So this is where I would put my headline. You can use a thank you page if you were offering some kind of training, but we'll just imagine this is exactly what we are using. So first things first, we're going to click back to get the destination page. Go ahead, copy. And I'm going to go back to Qliker and we're going to put in destination page and hit save. Very good. Now we need to just put these pixels on our pages. So we got a couple different pixels we can use. We have our action pixel and we have our engagement pixel. And if you're selling a product, we have our sales pixel. Okay. So the action pixel needs to go on the landing page. So let's go here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put our pixel in the code block for this page. We'll put it in the body here. And I'm going to paste it in here. There is our action pixel. So now when someone opts in, it will register an action. Now, what I want to do now is one further step. We want to track when anybody clicks on this button as well. So what we need to do is to create another page with a redirect to track when someone leaves our funnel. And what I'm going to do that is real simply just create a blank page. We'll call it redirect. It's already exists. Okay. What we're going to do is to simply put a countdown timer on this page here. And we're going to set it for 0 seconds. And when the countdown reaches 0, this is where we would put our affiliate link. But we're just going to put another domain name that we have here. Digital traffic system. All right. Now, What I want to do is I just want to hide this timer. So I don't need the timer to be visual. So all I'm going to do is just go to the settings and get rid of the background color. Now, when I go to this page, it's going to redirect to that domain name. All right. The next step is we need to put the engagement pixel on this page. So let's go back to our pixels. I'm going to hit copy, go back to the funnel builder. We're going to click on a gearbox and we're going to click on code. We're going to click on body and we're going to put in our action pixel for the engagement. At that point, our tracking is set up. So this is the link on the previous page here. We're going to copy the tracking link right there by clicking the three hamburger buttons. And let me just refresh to show you guys that there's no stats. Now let's go ahead and paste this in. Now I will have a visitor. And if I hit refresh, it's showing one click, one unique click. Nothing else is showing up. Before I do that, I got to make sure I set the capture page to go to the next page, the landing page, which it should just go to the next funnel step, which it does. So I really don't even need to set that up. But what I did need to set up is the button to make sure it goes to the redirect. So let me go back to this page here. Going to discard that. This needs to go to the redirect. Now what I'm going to do is opt in, and we're going to watch the sales stats change. All right, now I landed on our bridge page, and I'm going to check the stats. Now I should have one lead. Okay, boom, 100% opt-in rate. What do you guys love that? And the next thing we're going to do is we want to check the engagement pixels. Let me add it on here. We want to see if anybody actually engages on our page. That's why we set up the redirect. So now when I click the engagement page, or button, it should have stat for the button click. Okay. Boom. We have one click who opted in, who clicked the button. All right. Now, this is good because this is going to actually show you your opt-in rate. It's going to show you all that stuff, but it can also, you can go to the traffic analysis to see the quality of your traffic. And you can see if you have any bad traffic come in. There's more training that's going to need to be involved if you guys want to actually know how to use this to analyze the data. But it's very crucial that if you're going to run solo ads, you use a system like this. You guys can get access to the links to get these services below. And if you need any help, send me a message on Facebook. That's it. See you guys in the next video.